LLaMA Factory. Fine-tune over 100 large language models from a single framework. Web UI, CLI, or YAML configs. SFT, DPO, RLHF, PPO, QLoRA. Every modern training method in one tool. Train a 70 billion parameter model on two 24-gig GPUs. 70,000 stars on GitHub, used by Amazon, NVIDIA, and Alibaba. Over 1,000 academic citations. LLaMA Factory is a unified framework for fine-tuning large language models and vision language models. The project has 70,200 stars and 8,600 forks on GitHub, making it one of the most popular open-source fine-tuning tools in the ML ecosystem. What makes it genuinely useful, rather than just another training script collection, is the breadth of methods, models, and deployment options all accessible through a clean interface. You can fine-tune through the LLaMA board web UI, a Gradio-powered interface where you configure your training run, select your model, choose your dataset, pick your training method, and click Start. No code required, or you use the CLI with YAML configuration files for reproducible, automated training pipelines. Or you call the Python API directly for programmatic integration into larger systems. The framework supports every major training methodology: supervised fine-tuning for instruction following, DPO, KTO, ORPO, and SIMPO for preference learning, reward modeling and PPO for full RLHF pipelines, and continuous pre-training for domain adaptation. It handles text, images, video, and audio through multimodal model support, and it integrates with TensorBoard, weights and biases, MLflow, and SwanLab for experiment tracking. The project is Apache 2.0 licensed with over 1,000 academic citations, and it's actively used in production by Amazon, NVIDIA, and Alibaba. Let's look at the repo. 70,200 stars and 8,600 forks. This is the go-to fine-tuning framework for the open-source LLM community. The README is a masterclass in documentation. It provides day zero support tables showing which models are supported, training method compatibility matrices, performance benchmarks, and step-by-step quick start guides for every deployment option. The 2,098 commits on main show sustained development with rapid adaptation for new model architectures. The project maintains Google Colab notebooks for free GPU access, Docker containers for reproducible environments, and cloud platform integrations with PAI DSW and LLaMA Factory Online for managed training. The training method coverage is comprehensive. Supervised fine-tuning handles instruction-following datasets. You provide prompt response pairs, and the model learns to follow instructions in your specific domain. DPO, direct preference optimization, lets you train models to prefer certain response styles over others without needing a separate reward model, which simplifies the RLHF pipeline dramatically. KTO, ORPO, and SIMPO are newer preference learning variants that offer different trade-offs between training stability and alignment quality. Full RLHF with PPO is supported for teams that need the complete reinforcement learning pipeline. Train a reward model, then use PPO to optimize the language model against that reward signal. Continuous pre-training enables domain adaptation. Feed the model a corpus of domain-specific text to improve its knowledge in specialized fields like medicine, law, or finance, before fine-tuning on task-specific data. Beyond the core methods, LLaMA Factory integrates advanced optimization algorithms that most individual training scripts don't support. Galore for memory-efficient gradient projection, Bottom and Apollo for adaptive learning, Atom Mini and Moon for parameter-efficient optimization, Dora for decomposed weight updates, LongLoRa for extending context lengths, and PISA for principal singular value adaptation. Flash Attention 2, Unsloth, and Liger kernel are integrated for computational efficiency, reducing both training time and memory usage. Neftune adds noise to embeddings during fine-tuning, which has been shown to improve instruction following performance. And RSLoRa provides rank-stabilized LoRa training for more consistent convergence. Here's the LLaMA board web UI in action. You select your base model from a drop-down: LLaMA, Qwen, DeepSeek, Mistral, Gemma, or any of the 100+ supported architectures. Choose your training method: full fine-tuning, LoRa, or QLoRA. Select your dataset from the built-in collection, or point to your own custom dataset. Configure hyperparameters: learning rate, batch size, number of epochs, LoRa rank, and target modules. Set your quantization level if you're running QLoRA. 4-bit is the sweet spot for most consumer GPUs. The interface shows real-time training progress with loss curves, learning rate schedules, and estimated time remaining. Once training completes, you can immediately test the fine-tuned model through the built-in chat interface, type a message, and see how your model responds with its new training. The Evaluation tab runs benchmarks automatically, comparing your fine-tuned model against the base model on standard metrics. And the Export tab lets you merge LoRa weights back into the base model, convert to different formats, or push directly to Hugging Face Hub. The entire workflow, from selecting a model to having a deployed fine-tuned version, happens within this single interface. No switching between terminal windows, no manual checkpoint management, no format conversion scripts. This is what makes LLaMA Factory accessible to researchers and engineers who want to focus on their training data and methodology rather than infrastructure plumbing. The quantization support is what makes large model fine-tuning accessible on consumer hardware. QLoRA combines quantized model weights with low-rank adapters. The base model runs in 4-bit precision, while the LoRa parameters train in full precision. LLaMA Factory supports 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8-bit quantization through 6 different backends: AQLM, AWQ, GPTQ, LLMNT8, HQQ, and EETQ. The headline capability is FSDP plus QLoRA for distributed training. This enables fine-tuning a 70 billion parameter model across just two 24GB GPUs. Without this, you'd need a machine with 8 A100 GPUs or more. With FSDP plus QLoRA, 2 RTX 4090s or 2 A6000s are sufficient. For single GPU setups, 4-bit QLoRA lets you fine-tune 7B models on a single GPU with 8 GB of VRAM, and 13B models fit on 16 GB. Freeze tuning is also supported as an alternative to LoRa. It freezes most model parameters and only trains selected layers, which can be more effective for certain tasks while using similar amounts of memory. Model support covers every major architecture: LLaMA 1, 2, and 3, Qwen, Qwen 2, and Qwen 3, DeepSeek including DeepSeek R1, Mistral and Mixtral, Gemma and Gemma 3, GLM and GLM 4.1V, Phi 1 through Phi 4, and multimodal models like Alava, Qwen 2 VL, and Intern VL. The project provides day zero support for the latest releases. When a new model drops, LLaMA Factory typically adds support within hours. For inference after fine-tuning, VLLM and Skylong integration delivers a 270% speed improvement over standard Hugging Face inference with concurrent request handling. The OpenAI-compatible API endpoint means your fine-tuned model can serve as a drop-in replacement for any application already using the OpenAI API format. Just change the endpoint URL and your existing code works with your custom model. Docker deployment is supported for production environments, and the framework includes automated evaluation benchmarks for comparing fine-tuned model performance against baselines. Getting started is a pip install. Run pip install LLaMA Factory, then launch the web UI with LLaMA Factory CLI Web UI. For CLI training, point the train command at a YAML config file. The examples directory includes ready-to-use configs for every model and training method combination. For a quick test, the Google Colab notebooks let you run fine-tuning on free T4 GPUs. Docker images are available for reproducible environments. Once your model is trained, launch a chat interface with LLaMA Factory CLI Web Chat. Serve it as an API with the API command, or export and push to Hugging Face Hub directly from the web UI. That's LLaMA Factory. Fine-tune 100+ LLMs from a single framework with web UI, CLI, and every modern training method. 70,000 stars, used in production by Amazon, NVIDIA, and Alibaba. GitHub link in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more ML and AI tool deep dives.